In this video, we're diving into how synthetic data can significantly enhance the accuracy of AI models. You'll learn effective strategies to implement synthetic data for model refinement.
Did you know that 80% of AI models fail due to insufficient or biased data? Today, we're exploring how synthetic data can be a game changer in improving model accuracy. Welcome to our channel where we decode the mysteries of AI and data science. In the next 15 minutes, we'll uncover the secrets of using synthetic data to boost your AI models to new heights. To improve model accuracy with synthetic data, it's crucial to understand the metrics that define accuracy. Let's start with the basics. Accuracy itself is a measure of how often the model is correct. But accuracy alone isn't enough. We have precision, which tells us how well the model predicts positive instances, and recall, which shows how many actual positives were captured. The F1 score balances precision and recall, giving a more rounded perspective. Lastly, the ROC-AUC curve helps assess the trade-off between sensitivity and specificity. Understanding these metrics sets the stage for effectively leveraging synthetic data.
Data imbalance is a common issue that can skew model predictions. Synthetic data plays a crucial role here by augmenting minority classes and ensuring a more balanced dataset. By generating additional synthetic instances, we can increase the representation of underrepresented classes, reducing the chances of biased outcomes. This leads to a more robust and fair AI model. Furthermore, synthetic data can simulate rare events or anomalies that are hard to capture in real-world data, thus enhancing the model's ability to generalize effectively.
Generating high-quality synthetic data involves several advanced techniques. Generative adversarial networks, GANs, have revolutionized this space by creating highly realistic data samples. Another method, variational autoencoders, VAs, is excellent for generating data with controlled variations. Data augmentation, a simpler approach, involves transforming existing data to create new samples. Simulations can model complex systems to produce synthetic datasets. Each technique has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on the specific needs of your model. The goal is to balance realism with enough variability to challenge and train your AI effectively.
Once you've generated synthetic data, the next step is integration into your training pipeline. This requires careful planning to ensure that synthetic data complements your existing datasets. Creating hybrid datasets, which blend real and synthetic data, can significantly enhance training outcomes. Pay attention to pre-processing steps, as synthetic data may require different handling than real data. Ensure that your synthetic data is compatible with your model's input requirements. As you train your model, closely monitor the impact of synthetic data on its performance to make necessary adjustments and improvements.
Testing is crucial to validate the effectiveness of synthetic data integration. Start by comparing your model's performance on test datasets before and after synthetic data was added. Look for improvements in precision, recall, and F1 score to assess how well your model has adapted. This analysis will reveal areas where synthetic data has improved accuracy and where further tweaks might be needed. Remember, continuous evaluation is key to refining your model further. This iterative process helps ensure that your model remains robust and performs optimally in real-world scenarios.
Let's look at some real-world case studies where synthetic data made a significant impact. In the healthcare industry, for example, synthetic data has been used to improve diagnostic AI tools by augmenting rare disease datasets. In autonomous driving, synthetic data helps in simulating varied driving conditions, enhancing vehicle safety systems. These industries have reported quantifiable improvements in accuracy and reliability, illustrating the power of synthetic data. By analyzing these successes, we can extract valuable lessons and apply similar strategies to our projects, enhancing our model's effectiveness and reliability.
While synthetic data offers many benefits, there are common pitfalls to be aware of. Overfitting is a risk when a model becomes too attuned to synthetic data patterns, which might not generalize well to real-world scenarios. Ensuring diversity in your synthetic data is crucial to avoid this. Always validate synthetic data to confirm its quality and relevance. Data preprocessing shouldn't be underestimated. Synthetic data might require unique handling. Lastly, leverage domain-specific knowledge to ensure your synthetic data reflects real-world conditions accurately. By being mindful of these pitfalls, you can avoid potential setbacks in your model development. Validating synthetic data is a critical step to ensure it enhances rather than hinders model performance. Start by assessing the quality of synthetic data using statistical and visual techniques. Cross-validate with real data to ensure alignment and consistency. Incorporate feedback loops to continuously refine and improve data quality. Engaging with domain experts can provide valuable insights into the nuances of the data, ensuring its reliability and applicability. By adhering to these best practices, you can confidently integrate synthetic data into your model development, knowing it will contribute positively to your project's success. As we conclude, remember that synthetic data is not just a tool but a catalyst for innovation in AI. It allows continuous learning and adaptation, pushing the boundaries of what models can achieve. We encourage you to experiment with these strategies and engage with the community to share insights and challenges. If you found this video helpful, please comment below, share it with others, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, we can unlock the full potential of synthetic data in AI development.